right, so what's up guys? What's growing on? So today's video is going to be a follow-up to my bid and grow video that I did talking about my bonsai Japodocabas and some of my freshly grafted trees and the new knife that I have. So the guys over at Bid and Go are awesome, and I'm really pushing and promoting their site because I like everything that they're about. You know, this is like a site like eBay, but specific to plants. You know, they also take half of the commission that eBay takes. So they're only about maybe 1% as big as eBay. That's the problem. You know, so I'm trying to get the word out about these guys. Everybody that goes onto eBay and buys plants, you know, eBay isn't specific to plants. They sell thousands or millions of different items per se, to where Bid and Grow is specific to, you know, to plants. So I really would love to see this site grow more and more in the future and going forward. That's why I believe in it. I also believe in supporting the little guy compared to supporting the big guy. So the fact that they don't take, you know, half as much. If I sell a tree on eBay for $100, you know, eBay takes $10. I think it's like 10%, to where, you know, Bid and Grow is half of that or less. Not even sure of the exact number, but it's definitely a lot less. So the guys over at Bid and Grow, like I said in the last video, you know, he is a knife maker. This is a piece of art. You know, this is a piece of workmanship. This isn't something that came from China. You know, this is a true piece of just American-made sweat, blood, steel. Really impressed with this knife. Really, really nice on the bigger wood. I find on the smaller stuff, maybe it's a little on the big side. I'm probably going to work on getting a littler knife from these guys too. But this thing is just amazing. It feels great in your hand. And like I mentioned in the last video, we're going to do a giveaway. And by a giveaway, I mean a raffle. So the guys over at Bid and Grow told me, you know, they wanted to do some type of giveaway during this whole COVID virus situation. And, you know, for me to pick a nonprofit of my choice, well, to be honest with you, that didn't take long. You know, during this whole COVID virus situation, I can tell you my two favorite sites here in the state of Florida being Echo and Heart, you know, they're hurting. You know, those are both nonprofits. They both have, you know, laid off people. I can tell you that I'm really close with, you know, Josh and Paul and those guys over there at Heart. You know, they're really, really hurting. Like, they're not, you know, they've all lost their backing. So, you know, these nonprofits are based on donations and donors, you know, and a lot of these donors dropped off during this whole virus situation. You know, I know over at Heart, those guys haven't even taken a paycheck in probably weeks to months, you know, and so the ones that are still there, they're there because they believe in it. You know, I could tell you that, like, a guy like Josh, you know, that paycheck that he's even getting, it's peanuts. So, you know, he's not there for that paycheck. He's there because he believes in what he does. He loves what he does, you know, and he's not leaving because he's not getting a paycheck. And that to me is something special. So, you know, this knife is actually going to go up on Bid and Grow, and we're going to do a raffle. So you would get a chance to win this knife for a $10 ticket. So I'll put the tickets up on my Green Dreams Bid and Grow page. All that money that is raised for this knife, you know, obviously will go to Heart, a nonprofit, an education site, a permaculture site, an agroforestry site, no matter what you want to call it, a site that I believe in. I believe in what they're doing. I believe in their message. So I see no one better, in my opinion, to, you know, donate the monies for this knife too. You know, that's an organization that I really believe in, I can really stand behind. So that means a lot to me to be able to even help those guys out. I'm really excited about just doing this giveaway. I'm going to try to post it on my Instagram. I don't think there's going to be a limit on tickets. If there is, I'll post something on the Bid and Grow link, or I'll put something in the comments. I need to confirm that part. But for $10, you'll get a ticket to win this knife. And the guys over at Bid and Grow are actually going to do the raffle. They have a program. They'll put all the names in there. They'll do like a live video, you know, right there, so you can see which one actually wins this knife, you know. And I don't know the exact value of this knife. I can tell you, you know, the company that made this knife has other similar knives with similar craftsmanship that I've seen for $500 to $700. So, you know, retail value of this is quite high. This is a, you know, handmade, you know, not China-made piece of junk. You know, this is a piece of art, in my opinion. So really excited to give this away. Really excited to try to help the guys over there at Heart. I believe in and stand behind everything they do. They're quite amazing. As you guys know, Josh has shared a ton of valuable information, and we just want to help y'all. We want to help you guys be successful. We want to help you guys find crops that grow down here, and that's all we've been trying to do with this channel for a long time. So I hope you guys head over to Bid and Grow. I hope you set up an account. I hope you bid on this knife. And just remember, you're not just bidding on the knife. You're helping Heart. You're helping their mission over there. You know, buy 2 tickets, buy 3 tickets, buy whatever you can afford, because know that this money is going to a good cause. I'm not getting anything from this video. I typically would never promote anything like this, but you know, I stand behind Heart. I love what they're doing over there. I believe in what they're doing over there, and I hope you guys do too. I know Josh has been just pouring out information to us. He's a wealth of information here in Florida. If you're on any of these Facebook groups, Florida Staple Crops is one of these active in all the time. So you can keep up with this crop information, these new crops, these harvests, these yields, what's been successful, what's not. And I'm trying to constantly bring you this guy's information, bringing you guys this information. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to head over to Bid and Grow, open up an account, make a bid on this knife, and I wish you all luck. I hope you're the winner. So just remember, everything that's raised from this video is going to Heart. You know, so the more the merrier. We really want to help these guys get back off their feet. You know, I know that Echo, you know, and I mentioned them in the beginning, is hurting also. They had to lay off like half their employees. I know that Echo also has a little bit more funding than Heart. You know, Heart is definitely, you know, thriving on neglect per se, compared to, I feel like Echo definitely had a lot more backing. You could just tell when you go there. Now I know they've lost a lot of their backers too, so who knows, maybe we can do a giveaway for Echo next. I believe in both of those places. I want to help them both. I felt like Heart was a little bit more the one that needed or deserved this the best. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I hope you head over to Bid and Grow and open an account. I hope you consider supporting Heart and their efforts out here, because I believe in everything that they're doing. What do we do around here? We pound dirt. Thank you guys.